Alright, here you go. We're doing another diagnostic on this Inox. Let's see what's going on with it. The gas is on. It's not cold. Alright, this is a control board, and the first thing that I seen was like, look at this. So this wasn't all the way in. So we have put it back in. Sure it's tight. You check all the wire in and we'll give it a try. It should be working fine. Okay, I did the jumper for the heat. Give it a try. And pressure is on. Let's see. It says heat H. Lighter is on. Let's wait for the burners. So here you go. It's the heat. What was the problem?